A mother's love speaks not in words, but in a gentle touch that heals, gives, and protects. Ladies and gentlemen, the next performance is a tender tribute to the cute strength and endless love of a mother. Through slow, graceful movements and heartfelt expressions, this dance reflects the warmth, care, and sacrifice that shape a child's world long before words are spoken. Presented by the grade 4 girls of Bacteria National School, a gentle touch is an expression of gratitude to the first hands that held us, the first voice that comforted us, and the love that stays with us forever. Please welcome our little performance with a warm and loving round of applause.
The performers are Aisha P, Aisha Mu'mina, Fatima Sana, Hurain Shakib, Laiba Abu Bakr, Nafa Rukia, Rukia Nafia CH, Safia Hafia CH, Zafrin Abdul Nazar, Aisha Naila, Faiha Anwar, Rizna Fatum AH, Rifa Fatima, Zanha SA, and Mariam Ahana.